The Google December 2024 update brutally and quickly finished rolling out today. It took only 6 days, but it was super volatile, caused a lot of volatility across many websites. Let's break it all down. We will cover quick facts about this update, some more details about what Google said about this update, what we saw regarding volatility about this update, including ranking charts, what others are saying about this update, and just a quick reminder about what Google wants to rank well regarding core updates. Let's dig in. Here are the quick facts. Google started the December 2024 core update 6 days ago on December 12th, 2024 at about 10:45 a.m. Eastern. Google then finished that update 6 days later on December 18th at around 2 p.m. Eastern. This was the fourth core update Google released in 2024, and this update only happened a week after Google finished the previous core update, the Google November 2024 core update. The difference between the Google December 2024 core update and the Google November 2024 core update was that this update updated different core systems within the core ranking algorithm systems. What those specific systems were, we don't know. Google also said that Google will probably release more core updates more frequently. So will we see another update before the end of the year? I seriously hope not. Holidays are coming up, so I hope not, but we will see. So what we saw so far regarding this update was that there was a lot of volatility really quickly. Again, this update was released on December 12th, and we already saw volatility hit just the next day, some probably around the afternoon of Friday. Then we saw the volatility continue through Saturday and Sunday and continue throughout the whole entire week. This spiked, the volatility according to the ranking tools, which you see here, spiked significantly over the week. It was higher in terms of the volatility from the November 2024 update compared to the December 2024 core update, at least according to these tool sets. What are people saying about this update? Well, a lot of people are not happy, as you can imagine, at least the ones that are vocal. I'm sure for every one that was hit, there's also ones that actually improved. So with any core update, sites go up and sites go down. Hopefully you're the guys that actually seen the sites go up and ranking better in search. But there are a lot of people who are not. Some people are like saying, like Lily Ray, this is the biggest observation I had has been with the HSU sites, the helpful content update sites, that gained visibility with the November core update, saw it drops in visibility with the December 24 core update. Now I saw this with not just helpful content update sites, also with core sites that were hit by the core updates in the previous time. They saw a boost in November and then declines in December. A lot of people are just baffled by how quick this update was, really, really quick. I think it may have been the quickest core update in history, actually. One person here said, Leslie said, took me years to build it, and in 6 days for Google to take it away. Some person said this killed us. Another person said, Google is getting exceedingly more efficient at killing off small publishers. Only took them 6 days this time. And there's a lot of complaints about this update, as you can imagine. As a reminder, Google wants to rank sites well that are good for users, that are helpful, and so forth. Now, it's not about removing an HTML meta tag over here or moving some title tags or deleting some pages. It's really about taking a hard look at your website and saying, is this site useful for my users? My site has been hit by multiple penalties over the years or algorithm updates over the years. And honestly, all I try to do is serve my user. It's gone up and down. Traffic has gone less from search over the years, but overall, my traffic is overall up. Now, that's not the solution for everybody. We want to perform well in search. And ultimately, you got to do right by your users, and you should not really care that much about Google search. You see, while Google search can make or break a website, you need to make sure that you diversify your own website's traffic so that it can survive with little to no Google search traffic. How do you do that? Other marketing means. Social, email, YouTube, all those types of things. But again, right for your users and build a loyal base. And if you build a loyal base, people will come back to your websites again and again and again without Google search traffic. And ultimately, hopefully, if Google survives, that they will go ahead and build a search engine that rewards the best content, your content, with these future updates. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.